Nandigram Vidhan Sabha Constituency is an assembly constituency in Purba Medinipur district in the Indian state of West Bengal. As per orders of the Delimitation Commission, number 210 Nandigram is composed of the following: Nandigram I and Nandigram II community development blocks. Nandigram is part of number 30 Tamluk. In the 2016 elections, Suvendu Adhikari of Trinamool Congress defeated his nearest rival Abdul Kabir Sek of CPI. In the 2011 elections, Firoza Bibi of Trinamool Congress defeated her nearest rival Paramananda Bharati of CPI. The bypoll to the Nandigram occurred on 5 January 2009 due to resignation of the sitting MLA of CPI Maryland, Elias S.K. Swing calculated on Congress plus Trinamool Congress vote percentages taken together, as well as the CPI vote percentage, in 2006. Data for comparison not available for the 2009 by-election. In the by-election, necessitated by the resignation of the sitting MLA Elias Muhammad S.K. on corruption charges held in January 2009 in the background of Nandigram violence, Firoza Bibi of Trinamool Congress defeated Paramananda Bharati of CPI. In the 2006 and 2001 state assembly elections, Elias Muhammad S.K. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.